off to Pacific Ocean crossing. Whew.
And then they just come straight for us. I think they are creeps.
We made it.
I leave what's left of last night behind, and I need to get some peace of mind. And when I need some peace of mind, I know where to find it. By the end of the road. So I walk and I keep on walking. Though the shoes I wear.
We arrived to Atuana after 3 weeks of sailing. Here, most of sailors check in after Pacific crossing, and we will have to do this today as well.
That's where I started to clean over here.
Look at the stuff at the bottom of the boat. Crazy.
Walk until my feet are burning.
So nice to feel the land. We were in some unusual state of euphoria.
'Cause I can't keep my mind off things I do better.
We are eating pizza and
Yummy.
checking the internet. And up there is the ocean. You can hear the waves. You gonna say something else?
Oh, tomorrow we're going to Hiva. And that's not a cuss word. That's all I got.
We teamed up with our friends on Magic and left Hiva Oa after a couple of days. As beautiful the island is, the anchorage was very rolly and the closest town was about 1 mile away, which we walked through the very first day.
Captain Powers.
Yes. Cruising along at about 7.5. Upwind, heading to, what is it?
Fatu Hiva.
Fatu Hiva. And looks like we might make good time, but going upwind is never fun. I hope our dinghy's gonna be okay.
I hope so too. It doesn't look very happy.
Wow, this one definitely was one of the most exotic places we've ever been to. History says it used to be called Bay of Penises, but when Europeans brought religion to the islands, they thought it's too risque and renamed it to Bay of Virgins. Following day with old and new cruising buddies, we went for a hike in search of a beautiful waterfall. The place is so nice.
You made it!
Oh my God.
After the hike, everybody was ready to jump in the water. I was happy I haven't seen these eels and coconut eating prawns before I went to swim. I know they are harmless, but still. In the background there is Aranui, a half cargo, half cruise ship. That's the only one ship that supplies these islands. The waters are full of fish. The problem is we don't know which ones are edible. But that wasn't a problem for our friends. They found and caught the octopus.
Great catch. Are you gonna eat him tonight?
Yeah, you wanna come over?
Oh, of course.
Poor octopus wasn't very happy being captured, so he let out a big stink of ink.
Again.
See you later.
Where are you headed to?
Boys night out.
You have a backpack.
Boys night out.
What do you have in the backpack?
Oh, just a bunch of souvenirs. Wood statues. We love wood statues.
Are you coming to this evening?
Home this evening? I hope so. I might get kidnapped. We'll see.
Tell that you are going camping overnight.
I'm going camping overnight.
With what? What?
Magic. Alright, babe. What do you go for?
Okay, I'll go for the one closest to me.
Okay, I'll take the other one. This is boys camping. And me. It's going to be very interesting to see who keeps dry, who gets wet. Here's my little hut. Headed. But where are we headed first? The fads.
Oh, I don't care about those.
You care about fish, don't you? So you care about the fad. Fish attracting device. Going out to the fads to see if we can catch some fish.
Finding fads was easy, but even circling there for about 30 minutes, we couldn't find any fish.
So we're still on Fatu, Hiva. Now we're at another anchorage. This is basically the capital of the island. Not as pretty as the Bay of Virgins, but still a beautiful anchorage.
We did some provisioning on food and baguettes, and also bought some fresh mangoes. 6 mangoes for $1. Talk about luck, huh? Man, this island was not only beautiful, but also very friendly. They are so remote and don't have much of stuff, so we traded a couple of pieces of clothing to a huge bag of papayas, limes, few bunch of bananas, and insanely delicious pamplemousse, local pomelos.
Last look at the Bay of Virgins. Beautiful island.
Next on Sailing Aquarius, more of exotic locations
Of the rainforest to witness this magnificent display of copulation.
and some big catches. Join us